Fascination and curiosity for technology runs in our veins since childhood. All we need for our development is the right opportunities. But as we grow older, we learn its basics as dry theory. Why don't we as well make use of technology to keep our curiosity alive? Lucas Nuehler offers you training systems for captivated learning. Working with you recreates learning spaces that form a unique symbiosis of haptic and digital learning and make e-learning hands-on. Benefit from many years of experience in a wide range of technical disciplines right from the planning stage of your labs. Your new equipment will be individually manufactured for you in Germany. Before shipment, your laboratory passes an intensive quality inspection. The systems are installed on your premises, and together with you, we put the labs into operation. Our trainers are active all over the world. They will show you how to use the training systems to inspire curiosity for technology. This way, no question remains unanswered and no system unused. Start creating an exciting laboratory and keep fascination and curiosity for technology alive.